Good morning everybody, I hope you're okay. Well, the kids are back to school and the world is starting to open up again, so that's great news for everybody. Except maybe for our doggies, because there are a lot of doggies out there as the world starts to be up, we'll be left home alone. And so, for that reason, that's part of the reason I do what I do. I will take your doggie out on adventures. Now this morning, I am out with one of my favourite walks of the day. He's an absolute little star. Unfortunately, we can't let him off lead. His name is Tiny, and here he is. It is Tiny anyway. As you can see, he is a handsome boy, but because of his breed, he can't be let off lead. He can't be out without a muzzle, and in one respect, he is a lovely little man who deserves fun and games. And if I can do that for him, I will do. And there he is, he's seen another doggy, so he lies down and looks. Come on, Tiny, let's go. Have to cut all your grass. There's the birdies. We do bouncy bouncy. Come on, let's go. Let's go, bouncy 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 bouncy. Come on in this way. Bouncy 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 bouncy. Woohoo! Bouncy 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 bouncy. Come on in. You're dafty, you're dafty. And you see, you're a good boy. You played the game again, didn't you, when you went through my legs? You're a good boy. Oh boy, yeah, that's another doggy down there. Come on in, shall we go then? Are we going? Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. He's the best boy. Are we ready then? Let's go! Yeah! Let's go! Woo-hoo! Fast, fast, fast! Yeah! Oh boy! Is that fun? You like that game? Rocky, come! Come! Good boy! Good boy! You're the best boy, sit in, you sit inside. Good boy! Gotta sit? Come on, let's go again! Good girl! Come on! Good girl. Yeah, I see ya. Come on. Come on then. Good girl. Yes. You're going on lazy. You're going on lazy. Oh, yeah. Oh, she's going on lazy. Look at this. You're all lazy. Sausage, are you? You're lazy. You're being lazy. You ready? Okay. Good girl. And at the end of an adventure, you can't beat this. Someone who is tired and ready to go home. And you're Lexi, hey? You tired? You gonna sit? You gonna sit? You're a good girl, aren't you? You're the best girl. Yes, you've had a great day, haven't you? Yes, you're so good. You're so good.